Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you turtle pad ability in Grow a Garden 2. So guys, I've just purchased the turtle pad and it costs 70k shekels, and I'm going to show you what this pad can do for your garden. Okay, this is the turtle. Locks a heavy shell that adds plus 10 backpack space but slows your walk speed by 2. So guys, when you equip this turtle pad, it will automatically add plus 10 backpack space, but your walk speed will be reduced by 2. It's slow, but I think it's worth because it can expand your backpack. And let me open up my backpack. I think the slot is 100 items, but when you have turtle, it will be 110 slot for the items. Okay, I'm going to harvest something from here, and oh, it's full, but I can't see the number of slot. Okay, as you can see here, the normal backpack is 100, but when you have turtle, you will have 110 slots. Okay guys, and that's all about the turtle ability in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!